welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are this lane. It's beautiful scenery. Ojcowski National Park and of caves out here. And during and not just this, there are hundreds of Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are here at the village in southern Poland known as Sułoszowa. It is famous because of a 9-kilometer long lane with houses on both the sides, and then there are farmlands. Actually at the back of the road, the main road, which has the farmlands, and I have a beautiful view in the backgrounds. Really great. So this is almost a road less traveled or none traveled road, so it's beautiful. Let me take some drone shots out here and I'll show you. We have come all the way from that lane, and our car is parked down there, and we have come all the way this lane. It's beautiful scenery, and you can see wheat is grown out here as well. You know, far away, that's the lane we are talking about. So I'll fly the drone again and try to show it to you. Welcome to Sułoszowa. Located 30 kilometers northwest of Krakow, this quiet village has become famous around the world thanks to the drone photography. And it's easy to see why. Almost the entire village is built along a single road that's around 9 kilometers long. Every house sits beside this road, while narrow strip of farmland stretched far behind each property. From the air, it creates spectacular patchwork of color that changes every season. Green fields, golden wheat, fresh plowed brown land. Each field here belongs to a different family, creating a natural mosaic that has fascinated photographers from all over the world. What is interesting is that this layout isn't modern at all. It dates back hundreds of years of medieval farming tradition when land was divided into long, narrow strips so every family had access to fertile soil. Today, that historic system is still clearly visible from above. Instead of owning a large one square field, each family owned several long pieces of land. That's one of the reasons why Sułoszowa has become so famous online. If you're visiting with a drone, this is one of the best places in Poland for aerial photography. The most impressive view appears during spring, summer, when different crops create vibrant patches of or patterns across the landscape. Even driving through these villages feels unusual. The road stretches straight ahead, while houses line both sides almost continuously. It's peaceful, quiet, and completely different from the villages most people imagine. With its fresh air, quiet surroundings, and stunning natural beauty, Sułoszowa is a lovely place to visit and enjoy the simplicity of the countryside. So we have reached the Ojcowski National Park, and this national park is famous because of the cliffs, lots of caves, as well as hiking areas. And this is the chapel on water. Basically, it's literally on almost like a river. So let me show you, give you a closer look of the chapel. Here are benches out here for people to sit around, and this is the chapel. And here is the water flowing. Basically, it's built on top of this river. Ojców National Park is one of the most beautiful natural places near Krakow. It is the smallest national park in Poland, covering just over 21 square kilometers. The park is packed with stunning limestone cliffs, green valleys, forests, caves, and fascinating rock formations. The park is also famous for its caves and baths, and you can explore places like Wokiotek Cave and Dark Cave. Ojcowski Park is actually has more than hundreds of caves out here, and during the wartime or an attack, the kings would come and take shelter into the caves, and then they would go ahead and fight. These hills, they are tall and very rocky out here, so and not just this, there are hundreds of mountains like this. We are at the Hercules Club. This is incredible limestone standing above 25 meters tall and has unique shape that makes it looks like a giant club standing on its tips. It was formed naturally over thousands of years of erosion, and today it has become one of the symbol of its region. Pieskowa Skała Castle looks like something straight out of the fairy tale. Built during the 14th century under Kings Kashmir III the Great, the castle originally served as one of the several defensive fortresses protecting important trade routes in Krakow. Today, it's one of the best preserved Renaissance castle in Poland. Even though we only admire it from the outside, the architecture is absolutely stunning. Elegant towers, stone walls, beautiful courtyards. That is it from here. See you in the next one.